Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today, as we talked about in class, we are going to be walking through making a soundtrack for our day. So, if you pay close attention to this short little video, I'm just going to make a sample of my day. You're going to follow the same format. When you're done, you're going to upload it to your team's account. Here we go. What we're going to do is open a blank Word document. As you can see, I've already named mine as My Day, September 5th. You can name it whatever you want as long as I know that it's the assignment of it's your daily schedule or just a schedule for a day. For those of you who are watching this for a B day, we'll be meeting on Tuesday and it'll be after the 3-day weekend, but I just wanted to make a 3-day weekend playlist here because, quite frankly, I'm excited. I'm sure you guys are too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a title here. I'm going to set a font. I'm going to make it bold. And I'm going to title this Saturday Playlist. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk through this and kind of give ourselves, a little bit of leeway here as to what we're doing, but we want to build the ultimate Saturday playlist here. So I'm going to change my font back so that way I know what's going on. And here's where things are going to get interesting because we're going to be jumping between Word here and YouTube, which I'm going to open in just a couple of seconds here. And we're going to be doing some new stuff. So you want to pay close attention to what we're doing and how I do it. So here we go. I'm going to wake up on Saturday at, let's say, what's a good Saturday time to wake up? 8 o'clock. Seems like a good time when the sun's just getting into your room, especially if you have a room that's facing east like I do. It's kind of nice. So I'm going to wake up, and I'm going to pick 3 songs that are going to get me through this first hour. I realize that, a lot more songs happen in an hour than, 3 normally, but we're going to keep this simple for the day. So once you've hit enter and you're ready to move in, you're going to hit tab on your keyboard and you're going to start putting things down the line from there. So the first song I want to hear on Saturday morning when I wake up is going to be a little silly and a little cliche, but it's called Morgan. And to find that, I'm going to go over to YouTube, which we're going to do right now. I'm going to search for my first song. So I'm going to go up to the type here at the search bar, and I'm going to type in the name of the song, Morgan, by a guy named Johann Strauss, right here. And there's a lot of different people I can pick here. I'm going to pick this one, though, by this gentleman here, because I'm most familiar with it. And I'm going to play it for a sec. Not exactly everyone's cup of tea, but I like it, and this is my playlist. So I'm going to make my playlist. So to copy it, I'm now going to go up to the top and highlight the URL as we did last time. And I'm going to hit Control C. And I'm going to jump back over to my Word document. Now, last time what we did was we just kind of dropped the hyperlink in like this. We'd hit Control and V, and it would just be right there. And that was it. We'd hit Enter, and then all of a sudden we had a link. I don't want to do that this time. This time, I want to be a little more fancy. So I'm going to put who this is by so I can remember it. Because, sometimes you forget. Now, I'm going to highlight this link, this little text here. And I'm going to go over to Insert. And I'm going to go to Link. So I'm going to go back home here for a second. I'm going to go up to Insert and Link. One last time. Insert and Link. I'm going to click on that. And here I have my display text, which is what we've highlighted right here. And I'm going to now hit Control V. And I'm going to hit Insert. And now my entire link is blue. Now if I wanted to view that right now, what I'd do is I'd go over to it, and I'm going to right click on it and go down to where it says Open Link. And voila, it's our song. I'm going to do that for my entire day. So the next thing that we're going to do is you're going to pick, 2 more songs for, your day here. We're going to break this up by a couple hours so that way we're not overloading you here. But so that's my first song. My next song, I want to be something a little more up-tempo, but it's still early in the morning, and I don't want to do anything too extreme yet. So I'm going to go over and do a little bit of Miles Davis, I'm thinking. So we're going to go with a little song called So What. Going to type it in. Going to go back over to YouTube here. Going to highlight this just to clear it out. And of course, it's my first link right here. Going to click on it. And of course, YouTube's going to bombard me with ads. But that's okay. I know the link is there. So I'm going to highlight it. Control C. Going to go back over here. Highlight. Insert. Link. Control V. Boom. And lastly, I'm going to go with one last song that's just kind of something to listen to early in the morning. And, I've got a classical piece up there. I've got a little bit of jazz following that up. Maybe by now I'm starting to feel a little more awake. And I'm ready to actually do something. Maybe this first song here is me getting out of bed. This one here is me brushing my teeth and looking for something to wear. But now I want something to cook to because I make my breakfast every morning like a crazy person. So I'm going to pick something that gets me a little more willing to work in the kitchen. So if you're on a B-day, I played the song for you, Fifth Hour. I'm going to go with this one here. Don't Let Me Down. Going to highlight it so I know to come back to it. Going to go back over here. And my link is this one. I don't know who that is, but I know who this is. And I've got it. Copy. Insert link. And paste. There, I've got 3 things here. And what I'd kind of like is to do is I'm going to go back up here and we're going to put what each song is for. So as I mentioned earlier, Morgan is my wake up. So what? I'm looking for clothes. And for those of you who know me, it does take me about the length of that song to find something to actually wear in the morning. It's about 10 minutes. I know, it's a problem. Somehow I survive, and my wife survives having to deal with me run through the house looking for clothing, especially my wallet. Anyway, Don't Let Me Down is my breakfast. I want to do for cooking. All right, and that gets me through that starting point there. Then I'm gonna finish my list here, and once it's done, I'm gonna let you know what to do next. I've got my 8 o'clock, and this is just an arbitrary spacing, guys. You can make whatever kind of spacing you want. If you want your day to be wake up at noon, go to bed at 3 a.m., whatever it is. This is just a playlist. It's a sample. It's one I've made. And it kind of goes with how I feel about my day. So like I talked about earlier, I wanted to listen to Morgan in the morning, which actually translates as morning. Then I want to listen to some jazz as I'm looking for some clothing. And then this song just kind of struck me here as I was thinking about cooking breakfast this morning, so I put it in my list right there. As I go through my day, I get a little bit of funk here, I get Parliament Funkadelic, a little bit more jazz, a little more rockish jazz here with the brass machine. And then, of course, I have to do my lesson planning. And I picked this song right here because, business, lesson planning, haha, not very funny, I know, but oh well. Then I get into my cleaning stuff here, hanging out, taking a break, going out with some friends here. And then at the end of my day, maybe it's raining, and so I picked this song right here. Maybe, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter. The next song here is something I'm actually practicing, so I'm going to listen to it till my wife throws a shoe at me and tells me to stop playing the song over and over again. And then I get ready to go to bed, and this is the song that I've chosen here. And your schedule should look something like this. I'm going to put a slide up here that tells you exactly what everything should include and where to turn it in when it is ready. But that is the assignment. So give me just a second and I will pull up our expectation. For this assignment to be titled Your Day Assignment, you are going to need the following things. You're going to need designated times. That means something like wake up, go to sleep, eat food, whatever that is. You need at least 4 different times in your day. You need 3 songs for each time that kind of capture the mood of what you're trying to do. It should be relevant to what you're hoping to do in that time. You need hyperlinks for each song. That means you're going to insert link, highlighting your text, and copying the link where it belongs. Alright, we've got a list of skills coming up that are basically what we're going to be covering over the course of this. For my day playlist, opening and saving a Word doc, copying and pasting a link, making a hyperlink, and organizing your day. Be sure to include what the song is for as you're talking about it. I know this seems tedious. Don't worry, we are all learning how to do this. When you're done, be sure to upload your assignment to your Teams page. Hey guys, just remember it's going to be okay. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at zachary.singer@slps.org, or you can also reach out to me at the group chat or private message me on Teams. If you're doing this over the weekend, it'll take me a couple of days to get to you, but this assignment isn't going to be due. If you're an A day, it'll be due on Wednesday. If you're a B day class, it'll be due on Thursday. So if you have any questions during that time, feel free to reach out. Again, I'll put my email right here, zachary.singer@slps.org, or you can chat me in Teams. Just relax. It's going to be okay. I have faith in you guys. Have a good day.